Barbie Forteza at Jack Roberto hiwalay na. Hello, showbiz aficionados. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more celebrity updates. Tara, chikahan na! Hiwalay na ang Kapuso stars na sina Barbie Forteza, 27 years old, at Jack Roberto, 31, matapos ang 7 taong relasyon. Kinumpirma ito mismo ni Barbie sa pamamagitan ng isang Instagram post ngayong Huwebes, January 2, 2025, isang araw matapos ang bagong taon. Sa kanyang madamdaming post nitong bandang 6 p.m., mahihinuhang walang sama ng loob si Barbie sa paghihiwalay nila ni Jack. Nakuha pa niyang purihin ang dating kasintahan at sabihing naging masaya siya sa kanilang naging pagsasama sa loob ng 7 taon. Nagsimula si Barbie ng kanyang announcement sa pamamagitan ng isang quote mula sa American children's author na si Theodore Seuss Geisel, aka Dr. Seuss. Bungad ng Kapuso actress, "Don't cry because it's over, smile because it happened." Dr. Seuss. Kasunod nito ay ang pagsusuma ni Barbie sa 7-year relationship nila ni Jack. Papuri ng actress sa dating nobyo, "Having you in my life was the happiest I had ever been. 7 wonderful years, a lot of laughs, a lot of ramen, and so much love. Your love was exceptional, but sometimes good things fall apart so better things can come together. Beautiful goodbye at Jack Roberto." Dagdag pa ni Barbie, "Thank you for loving me the way you did. I am excited for what's to come for the both of us. You take care of yourself. May you find the love you deserve. I hope for everyone's understanding and I wish you can help us put this matter to rest." Walang binanggit na detalye si Barbie kung ano ang dahilan ng breakup nila ni Jack. Mga ka-VLT, for more showbiz updates, please subscribe and click the notification bell to keep you posted.